Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Real Hazardous. Today we're going to do a little solo launching of the boat. Not solo, actually. Kayla's behind the camera, but I'm not going to let her help. I'm just going to do it by myself, show you what I would do for a small boat. Say small boat, 22-footer such as this. So, first off, I'm going to unhook these things. I'll show you. So, you have this. I can go ahead and take it off. Get out of the way, and go to the back. Habit, I just always check the tires and the axles. Not really a big deal. It's not as likely to be a problem on this little boat, but on the big boat, always watchful. Now I gotta take these off. Pretty quick to do, nice little kind of quick release. Go to the other side. Just the knot. Loosen it there. Take it off there. Got that. Now the transom saver. Wiggle. There we go. Put it in the truck. Do not lock yourself out of the truck, especially if you're in the middle of the boat ramp. But notice I'm doing this well out of the boat ramp. So you got this whole dock, boat ramp's clear, people can come around me. And notice the other thing is I'm not really putting anything in the boat. I've already done it. I do it at home, got my gear, everything, even most of my camera equipment's in there. I only need a couple little things. Last thing I'm gonna do is loosen this a little bit. I'm not going to loosen it all the way because I'm going to launch the boat and I don't want my boat to take off without me. So, got everything I want in there, and now we're going to back it down. So now we're ready to go. Also, one thing you didn't see me do is put the plug in the boat. The reason you didn't see this is because I also did that at home. We usually do it right before we leave, and I check it. So we got it clear. And just a little side note, when you're backing down a boat, biggest piece of helpful advice that I can give you is start with the trailer straight. A lot of people have it already angled and then they wonder why they can't back it down good. So guys, what I'm going to do first is crank the engine, make sure it runs. I'm good, but thank you. Take off my sandals, less likely to slip and fall. parking brake off. Truck pulls out a lot better when you take that parking brake off, you know. Okay, and we're parked. Don't forget your keys. Lock your vehicle. Give the trailer a once over. I hope this video on how to solo launch your boat was helpful for you. If you guys got any tips or tricks that you'd like, then by all means comment below, share it with others, we'd appreciate it. Remember, just have your stuff ready, and it's really not that bad. Take it nice and easy, and you should have a great time on the water. Hopefully it'll be less stressful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Real Hazardous.